Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a massive thank you to how much love I got on my previous video about trying to conceive, and I've loved reading all the heartful messages and stories from you guys. So just a little quick, I've joined the curtain bang crew, so I've now got curtain bangs and I absolutely live for them. I love them. If you've got any tips on like styling them, please let me know down below, because at the moment I'm just trying to figure them out and trying to figure out how to style them really well. Moving on to today's video, how we DIY'd our kitchen. When we first moved in, I'll put pictures and clips in of when we first moved in. The kitchen was really dull looking. It was so small, dull and dark. It was like this magnolia yellow colour. We stripped it all back. There was so much wallpaper that we had to strip back. We had to replaster the walls, and then we also DIY'd the units ourselves. So we did do a lot of painting and wrapping and stuff like that. Paints and everything that we used, we got it from Wilko's. So that is just a shop in the UK. If you're not from the UK, you could probably buy this stuff online. Moving on to our bathroom, we did actually do a few bits of DIY in that, and the before in there, it was pink flamingos on the wall, and we also had grey in there as well. We wanted it to be very neutral, but we wanted the accents of black through there as well, like what we did in the kitchen. There's still little bits to be done, like putting up mirrors, shelves and stuff like that, but I wanted to get this video out there, and I will show you a complete finished house tour when the house is completely done. Want to add a few more bits of decor in certain rooms. We also want to add accessories and stuff in some rooms. We've just painted everything white and made it so that everything is neutral, so that then we can do whatever we want with the place when we decide to do that.
Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad.
We painted the cupboards with the paint that you see in the video, and then we spray painted these handles. We wrapped it in this vinyl wrap that we got from B&Q. Really bad. They were silver, but they were scratched really bad and chipped and bubbled. So we wanted to spray them just to get rid of that chipped look. The side beams, they were silver, but we also spray painted them as well. We also spray painted our sink and our taps. That is also what we did up in the bathroom. As you can see, there's not a lot of space in here, so we did want to like really brighten the area up. And we had not only a washing machine, but we had a dryer as well, and we literally just built a shelf in the cupboard, and then we got storage underneath as well, and we put it on a shelf in the cupboard, and now like above it we've just got cleaning supplies and shelves up above it and stuff. So still do have shelves that we want to put on these walls here, but we've not put them up yet. So this is the bathroom. As you can see here, this is what we did with the shower. We spray painted it, and we also sprayed the taps, and then we sprayed these taps here as well. This wall here was all painted bright pink flamingos, and the rest of the bathroom was grey. We've just gone for these grey blinds here. And then over here we've got some shelves with a Yankee candle, diffuser on it, and some plants. And then we also sprayed the toilet flusher, and then we've got a black toilet seat to go with it. There is a few things that need hanging still, like this plant here. We're putting it over in the corner near the sink. We're going to be putting it over here. And then we've got this mirror, but we're getting rid of this mirror, and we're going to put a nice big round black mirror in instead that we've seen in the range, so we'll be getting that and putting that there. But this is the overall view of the bathroom, and then we've just put this curtain rail up for now, just until we can buy a glass door. We did also spray the handles of the bath. We want to put some marble paneling across here around the shower area, and then we want to get a glass door as well. So this room still has quite a bit to be done to it as well. These shelves we actually got from Matalan, and the plants we got from Home Sense, I believe. So yeah. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up for me if you liked it and you are excited to see the house tour of the after, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.